Prosecco Punch. Everybody likes a punch when you have a group coming over. Could be summer, could be the holidays, could be winter. A good punch is always refreshing. I like to choose stone fruits when they are in season. Apricots, peaches, nice and ripe, just like that. Some citrus, oranges. And then I'm gonna add some raspberries. And I'm gonna add to it Aperol. Aperol is an Italian sort of bittersweet liqueur. Some vodka to literally add that punch. Let's just toss it like that. And if you let this macerate like this for a half an hour before you go on and assemble your punch, it will deliver a bit more of the flavor. Here I have a nice punch bowl. And in this punch bowl, you want your punch to be cold, but if you put ice cubes, they dilute everything. So what I did here, I took a bundt pan, just like that, and I froze it. And this looks nice, and it's a good base to keep my punch cold. And to that, then, of course, I'm gonna add the Prosecco. Prosecco is made out of the Prosecco varietal grape. The Italians really love it. They have it before meal, they have it during meals, they have it after. Here's a Prosecco that is made with a Pinot Noir grape, and it's a little on the pinkish side, okay? And we'll also dilute it a little bit with some seltzer. So, a punch, you don't want it to be overly strong. And plus we have there the vodka. And now let's introduce. Voila. So, I think that looks pretty good. Just a few sprigs of mint to add that kind of refreshing aroma and also a little color. So here it is. This is a beautiful presentation that will brighten up any party. So let me taste it. Ladle some out. Beautiful color, huh? Salute! Cin Cin! Cin Cin! Refreshing, very aromatic, not too sweet, not too alcoholic. And as we leave it here, it's gonna get better and better. An easy way to entertain a whole lot of guests.
To learn more about Lidia, access to videos, and to get recipes, tips, techniques, and much more, visit us online at lidiasitaly.com.